Hello, this is how to create your own BioMonster. So first, what is BioMonsters? BioMonsters is a dynamic initiative aiming to help students learn about science, more specifically biology, through creative means such as art. And what is a biomonster, you may ask? Well, a biomonster is a fictive or original creature created by you which addresses one of the prompts given by biomonsters. This animal or organism is bioengineered to address that prompt. So the prompt I chose was flower blooming in desert climates, and I wanted to approach this in a manner which would promote flower growth in this climate. And then after that, I went on to do some research online and take some notes, find some biological principles or just some facts that I might incorporate into my biomonster. A few things that I learned was how some mammals in desert climates have very nimble and agile bodies like gazelles, which allow them to traverse through the sandy terrain. Also, plants undergo a process called photosynthesis, which allows plants to convert light energy emitted from the sun into chemical energy. Also, seeds that are under the sand bed in the deserts stay dormant until external stimuli, which indicates suitable environment, comes into play and signals for the dormant seeds to awaken and blossom. So I took these facts into consideration when I decided to create my biomonster. So after my research, I just gave my theoretical description of what my biomonster might look like. So first, I decided on a name for it. The name of it was Floreus Aridian, which combines both flora and arid, and also works to become a scientific name. I'm going to refer to it as FA for short. So it is a quadrupedal mammal which resembles a gazelle in its body shape, and it's covered by many petals all over its back and stomach and chest, which allows it to undergo photosynthesis. Something else I learned was that there actually are a few animals which can photosynthesize, therefore making this viable. Some of the primary colors on FA was brown and yellow. This allows it to camouflage in the desert environment and hide from potential predators. There will be small areas of passage on its front legs, which allows fluorescein, a hormone that's created by me, which enhances water retention and flowering to be released from. On FA's front legs, there are tendrils, which allows it to feel bioelectric pulses through the sand to locate seeds under the sand, and also allows it to decide whether or not it should release fluorescein, which would stimulate the growth of these seeds. And then after this, I also went to my scientific backing, but I kind of explained this all in my biomonster part. So then I went on to create my visual aid and my biomonster description. First, I'm going to show you the description that I created. The maximum is 400 words, and mine is around 350 words, give or take, since I edited it after I printed it out. So you can pause to read it. And then here I'm going to show you the design. I didn't like the flower appendage on its back, and I felt like it did not resemble a gazelle as much. So then I went on to take these notes and I created the final design for Floreus Aridian. So first I fixed up on the petals and I created the tendrils on the front legs. And I also made it look more like a gazelle with the prints on its face and the horns on its head. When you create your own biomonster for the competition, note that it does not have to follow the same style and formula as me. For instance, I kind of drew it in a cartoony way. You can draw it in realism or whatever style resonates with you most, and you can take inspiration from this. I'm really excited to see what all of you guys are going to create. Thank you for your time.